Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair exploded 4.1% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The last session saw the euro gain 0.7% against the dollar. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair gained 0.9% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar pair exploded 1.5% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
VinFast is shipping 999 of its electric vehicles to California as the Vietnamese company looks for a place in the US market. French President Emmanuel Macron will use a state visit to Washington this week to press EU concerns about the US huge new green energy subsidy package. While EU countries welcome the new commitment to energy transition, they fear the $430 billion Inflation Reduction Act will put their companies at an unfair disadvantage. Coinbase Wallet will no longer support the native tokens associated with Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum Classic, Ripple's XRP Ledger and Stellar, effective December the 5th, according to an update on the crypto exchange's website.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's 10Y bond auction will be released at 03:35 GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 13:30 GMT. Germany's retail sales at 0700 hours GMT. The Dutch market manufacturing PMI will be released at 0800 hours GMT. The UK's 30Y bond auction at 10:30 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank manufacturing PMI at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.